Mr. Walker, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Thank you, Your Honor. For the past year, I have been paying child support to my ex-wife, Jennifer. Currently, our daughter is in my mother's custody, and I'm bringing this case.
Wait. Why is your daughter in your mother's custody?
So she was initially in my custody, but before this year, I was a teacher, and I got promoted to principal. But I'm now working at a school that's on the other side of town. I wanted to make sure that my daughter stayed in the school that she's in because she has been there for the past 4 years, and I wanted to make sure that, well, she's been in that district for the past 4 years, and I wanted to keep her development because I agree with the education plan that they have.
Subscribe now for real courtroom stories worldwide. Today's shocking case: Mr. Walker sent $500 monthly to his ex-wife, believing it supported their daughter. But the child didn't live with her at all. This twist reveals how child support cases hide surprises. Stay tuned for every detail and subscribe to catch more real-life drama.
Paying my ex-wife the child support, and I have no idea where those funds are going.
How much do you pay in child support?
$500 a month. And so she's in my mother's custody right now. My mother is retired. We had an amicable conversation about my daughter living with my mother because she is retired. She worked for the city of Dallas for 28 years.
She worked?
Things get complicated. Mr. Walker's daughter lived with his mother, not Miss Walker. While he worked as a school principal, Grandma raised the child. Miss Walker claimed she forwarded the payments, but doubts arose quickly. What seemed fair now feels unfair. Stay with us, this story is only getting started.
The goal of this case is that I want to move the child support from my ex-wife and then start paying.
Rightfully so. There's no reason she should still be getting any type of child support payments. Ms. Walker, have you been reallocating these payments that you're receiving from Mr. Walker to his mother?
Yes, Your Honor. I have receipts. I have everything. I've been taking care of my child.
What type of receipts are you talking about?
Receipts for me buying her food, clothes,
Okay,
shoes.
that's called parenting. That's not child support.
Well, I'm using his money for the kid.
But the child does not live with you, correct?
Miss Walker showed pool and clothing receipts, not real child expenses. The judge reminded her, child support must directly help the child. Then came the twist: earning $70,000 yearly, she hadn't paid a cent. Payments were redirected to Grandma, the true caregiver. Courtroom tension spiked.
That's what I do, Judge. I'm an office manager right now.
Okay, and how much is it that you make a year?
Maybe about $70,000.
$70,000, okay.
And I'm also a single mother.
Okay, well, congratulations. There are a lot of single mothers in this world. So that's not information that we need in terms of calculating child support, okay? According to your testimony, you're giving the money to his mother. Is that correct information? Is she giving the money to your mother?
That is incorrect, Your Honor.
Okay. Is your mother here today?
She is not. My daughter's actually homesick with the flu, so she's at home with my mother right now.
Miss Walker now owes $77 monthly. Texas law says both parents must pay support if the child doesn't live with them. Child support protects children, not parental spending. This ruling shows responsibility remains even when custody shifts. Justice always puts the child first.
The line is this: the child does not live with either of you, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
And you're paying child support currently, but to Ms. Walker.
Correct.
And Ms. Walker, you are not paying child support at all,
No,
correct?
No, ma'am, I'm not.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do. You said you make $70,000 a year. I have your gross at $5,833.33. Now, after taxes are taken out, that comes down to $4,625.60.
This ruling proves courts take financial duties seriously. Both parents must share costs, ensuring fairness no matter who the child lives with. Do you think the judge was right? Comment below with your opinion.
Your child support is going to be set at $707.28. That includes the $682.28 for child support and $25 for health insurance. Mr. Walker, your $500 payments will be reallocated to your mother. And as I stated, Ms. Walker, that $707.28 will go directly to his mother as well, since that is who the child is living with. Am I right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, is there anything else from either of you? If nothing further, you all are dismissed. Thank you.
This case shows why transparency matters in family law. When money skips the real caregiver, children suffer. Judges expose the truth to protect the innocent. Stories like Mr. Walker's highlight fairness and accountability. Stay tuned for more eye-opening legal battles. Subscribe now so you never miss another shocking courtroom moment.